This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pollen filter renewal. Pull the rubber weather strip from the driver's door pillar. Using a blunt, flat-bladed tool, prise the fascia end panel from place. Pull the lower fascia panel rearwards to release the clips, then disconnect the light switch wiring plug. Undo the retaining screw, then starting at the rear, unclip the centre console panel and slide it rearwards. Move the panel to one side. Release the clip and open the filter cover. Pull the upper filter element from the housing, followed by the lower element. With the arrows on the edge pointing rearwards, and the silicone pads at the bottom, insert the lower filter into the housing, push it downwards, then slide the new upper filter element into place. Close the filter cover, ensuring the clip engages. Maneuver the console side panel into place, noting that the clip at the front edge slides forwards to locate. Press the panel into place at the rear and tighten the retaining screw. Reconnect the switch wiring plug, then press the fascia lower panel back into position. Refit the fascia end panel and press the rubber weather strip firmly onto the door pillar flange.